Teaching old dogs new trick or introducing technology to seniors can be a challenge, but it is not impossible. In fact, seniors are adopting technology at an increasing rate, and there are many benefits to them doing so, such as staying connected with loved ones, accessing healthcare remotely, and keeping their minds active. Start with the basics. Just like teaching a puppy to sit, you need to start with the basics of technology. Show them how to turn the device on and off and how to navigate the operating system. And don't forget to give them a treat when they get it right. Use simple language. Remember, not everyone speaks tech jargon fluently, so avoid using complex language when explaining how to use technology. You don't want to confuse them more than they might already be. It's like trying to explain fetch to a cat. It's just not going to happen. Provide visual aids. Some seniors are visual learners, so providing diagrams and screenshots can be helpful. Just make sure the images are large enough for them to see. We don't want them to think that the picture is just a smudge on the screen. Practice makes perfect. Encourage seniors to practice using technology on a regular basis. Repetition helps to build confidence and familiarity with the technology, so they won't be afraid of it. It's like riding a bike. You won't get good at it unless you practice. Use familiar examples. If you're teaching a senior how to use a smartphone, try to use examples they're familiar with. If they don't know how to use a phone book, show them how to use contacts on their smartphone. And if they don't know how to use a phone book, maybe start with something simpler, like teaching them how to dial a rotary phone. Address fears. Some seniors may be hesitant to use technology because they're afraid they'll break something. Reassure them that it's okay to make mistakes and that technology won't bite. It's not like you're teaching them how to defuse a bomb. Make it relevant. Find ways to make technology relevant to their lives. If they're into knitting, show them how to use Pinterest to find knitting patterns. If they're into gardening, show them how to use Google to identify plants. They'll be more interested in learning if they can see the value of it. Be patient above all. Be patient. Learning new things can be frustrating, and it may take time for seniors to get the hang of using technology. But with a little patience, a lot of encouragement, they'll be posting cat pictures on Instagram in no time. In conclusion, teaching technology to seniors can be challenging, but it's also a lot of fun. Just remember to keep things simple, use humor to lighten the mood, and be patient. And who knows, maybe you'll learn something from them too, like the secret of making a perfect apple pie, or how to knit a sweater in under an hour.